Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Realme C11. Let's see if there is some information on the box. It says here that this smartphone has a 5000 mAh battery. Pretty good. The smartphone also has a 6.5-inch display along with a Mediatek Helio G35 CPU. Now it's time to open the box. There's a smaller box on top. This seems to have all the documents like the safety guide and the quick guide. Let's keep them here. This is what the Realme C11 looks like. It's quite sleek. At the back there is a gradient of sorts along with this scratch-free surface. That's quite cool. You can also see the 13 megapixel dual camera setup. Let's keep the phone to the side and go back to the box. Here we have a USB power adapter, and finally there's a micro USB charging cable. A pretty long one in fact. And that's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.